honorable congratulations are in order to Cavalier Soccer Club for crowning themselves Premier League champions of Jamaica. The youngest team in the league prevailed over the former champions, Mount Pleasant, who by any stretch of the imagination underperformed. They were firm favorites to repeat as champions, but for the most part, Mount Pleasant played unimpressive football. I mean, they got enough results to top the regular season league standings. But when you balance the depth of the squad with the resources and the facilities, Mount Pleasant should have at least played some better football. Anyway, it's Cavalier time. The young team and the underdogs well prepared by the coach of the year, Mr. Rudolph Speed, arguably the most active person in local football. Some say too active. But Mr. Speed and Cavalier deserve all the flowers they're getting in this their moment of success. Cavalier, you lifted the banner and you did it in a Cavalier manner. Cavalier.